Hey guys, it's Nicoletta. Welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. I'd really appreciate if you guys hit that red subscribe button down below to join my YouTube family. Today I am doing a huge shapewear haul. I went ahead and picked up a few pieces from my favorite shapewear brand, ShapeRX. I am partnering up with ShapeRX. They have been honestly the only shapewear brand I have been using the last couple years. I absolutely love them. I've done a couple hauls before. If you guys haven't heard of ShapeRX, they are the best-selling shapewear brand on Amazon. They're super great quality, but at an affordable price point. Their whole goal was to really make premium shapewear that's size inclusive, that's gonna make everyone feel comfortable and confident, and I can attest to that. Their shapewear pieces really hold up. They're also very comfortable, but they make you feel snatched and feel your best. They did give me a discount code, which will get you money off of your orders, but of course I will have all that information in the description box for you guys, as well as all the pieces that I picked up. They kind of have like two different lines when it comes to their shapewear. They have the ShapeRX Hugging Bodysuit collection, which is more of like your everyday pieces. You can wear them more as outerwear. They give very much like skim dupes, super soft and buttery smooth. They give like a nice hug to the curves but smooth all the lines out. I've shared them before in my previous hauls and I wear them to this day. I absolutely love that collection. And then they also have their ShapeRX Sculpting Bodysuit collection. So those are for those pieces that you want more compression, that you wear underneath outfits. So underneath like dresses and skirts or whatever the outfit is, to really like smooth everything else, cinch everything, give you really good tummy control, really good shaping. I've shared it before, but of course you can really tell a difference between if you wear shapewear underneath your outfit or you don't, and you guys could totally tell by this before and after that it really just does make such a big difference. It makes me feel so much more confident in my outfits. Personally, those are the pieces that I wear underneath any of like my dresses that I'm wearing at weddings. I brought them, like I said, on vacation for any of kind of like my more fancy going out dresses. I have everything from bodysuits to a faja. I also have bras. I got you covered, girl. I think I'm gonna start first with their bras. This is one of their newer pieces that I don't have in my collection. I had to pick it up in both colors, of course, because I feel like you always need a black and you always need like a nude color. This style of bra is definitely bras that I wear on an everyday basis for the most part. Like you will catch me in this style bra because I find these to be the most comfortable bra. These two are just the ShapeRX removable bras. It does have the removable cups for both of them. Starting first with the black. Underneath your clothing, you're not gonna see those bra lines because it is so seamless and there is no underwire. So it's also gonna be super comfortable. I hate dealing with wires, digging. I also love how it has more of a thicker strap, which I find to be better so it doesn't dig on your shoulders. But of course it has like those adjustable straps, and then it has like a wider band in the back because it does have closure here in the back. So I love that. And I love this too because of the shape of it. The silhouette is really flattering and it does have more of that deeper V, which I think is super convenient and nice when it comes to underneath your clothing. It's not gonna roll where it's kind of sitting on the bottom here. It just makes your chest look really nice. It gives a really nice shape to it, and it's also very supportive at the same time. So you could wear this on an everyday basis or really any time. So of course I had to pick up the exact same bra in more of my like skin tone color. I always like to have a nude color for underneath clothing, just in case you're wearing any neutral or like a white, you really won't see it. It's a great like t-shirt bra as well, so you don't see those lines. I could wear this all day long and not feel like I want to rip it off by the end of the day. And I feel like this is a staple to have in everyone's wardrobe. I'm all about the comfort, but I also want to look cute at the same time. I don't want to have to sacrifice style, but I want to be comfortable. So I like how this looks on and underneath your clothing. Next, I went ahead and picked up two of their ShapeRX like shapewear bodysuits. These are a different style, but they are similar nonetheless. So starting first with the black one. This is their ShapeRX Strapless Tummy Control Shapewear Bodysuit. That is a mouthful. It does come with the straps, but these are removable. I know they look tiny when you first see them, but they really stretch according to your body. And this is what's gonna give you that really nice suction and like tummy control. It's really going to give you that great compression. So these are amazing everything underneath, like your more formal wear, your dresses, your skirts, or whatever cute little summer outfit you have. It just really gives you that really nice shape to your body. It kind of just accentuates your shape and your curves. It does have also really nice shaping on the booty here. I love having kind of like the mid-thigh shorts. I find them super comfortable, especially when it's in the summer. Your legs can rub, so you don't have to kind of deal with chafing or like the rubbing between the thighs. By having the shorts on the bodysuit, it also is just gonna smooth everything out when it comes to your thighs. This is really great, especially for those strapless outfits. But I also like how it comes with two different straps. So it comes, of course, with the black straps, and then it also comes with a clear one so you can interchange them, which is really nice. This bodysuit's also great for all cup sizes, and honestly, it's just gonna sculpt out your body, and it's so seamless and comfortable at the same time. I've worn these type of bodysuits so many times underneath my outfits, like dresses. So this one also is crotchless, which is super convenient for when you have to go to the washroom. I really like how they have that feature on their shapewear. So this is the second ShapeRX Tummy Control Body Shaper. This one is a little bit different because this one does come with the strap, so it is not strapless. It does have these adjustable straps, but this one does come with cups in it, so you don't have to wear a bra, while the black one that I just showed you has no like built-in bra to it. I had to pick this up in their shade Sienna. I have that shade in other shapewear, but they have so many different colors when it comes to their items typically, so you can really get any sort of shade or color that you want. It has more of like that lower scooped back, which is really nice, and then of course gives really nice shape to the bum. These ones also of course come with these shorts that go like mid-thigh, so it's really going to sculpt your entire body. It gives you really good compression. It smooths everything out, and I find, like I said, this is really great once again for your thighs not rubbing together. It is crotchless, so easy access when you have to go to the washroom. Fits really nicely on the chest. It really accentuates your bust and your chest, and these pads, however, are removable, so if you don't want the pads in, you can totally remove them. So I like kind of having that option. You could tell also how great quality this is. It's so stretchy, so lightweight, just so nice on the skin. It's skin friendly. I have a bunch of their shapewear bodysuits previously, and I've had them for a couple years now, and they seem like brand new still. Like they have really held up. These bodysuits, by the way, are really great at giving you really good tummy control and just giving you that good compression right where your belly and your tummy is. I am so excited to get my hands on this next item. I don't have any piece like this in my shapewear collection, and that is just the ShapeRX high-waisted body shaper shorts. They do have this also in a more nude color, but I did go ahead and pick this up in black. I might have to go back and also get it in a nude because I feel like I said, both those colors are just staples for me, but I love this. Sometimes want like a good shaper short underneath some of my outfits. This is also really great for avoiding the rubbing on the legs as well. What's super good about this, it gives really good compression where your tummy is. This is going to make you feel snatched. It even has some light boning at the top here, which is just gonna really give you that snatched look. Of course, I love that it is high-waisted, so it really gives compression right where your tummy is. This is also gonna give your waist that really nice shape. It is tiny, but it will go according to your body, of course. The point is to really just sculpt everything and suck everything and smooth everything out. This is also great because it's not gonna give you those visible panty lines underneath your outfits. It's super stretchy, like I said, very lightweight, very breathable, really nice on the skin, and they're also very comfortable. I've worn their shapewear for hours and hours all night long and have never felt like uncomfortable wearing them, so that's why I also really like them, because if I am gonna wear shapewear, I don't want to be uncomfortable all day long and just like be miserable sitting there. It gives really good shape on the booty, and it's gonna really lift up your booty as well. The leg part is also just really stretchy as well. This next one is another one of their ShapeRX bodysuits. So this one does have the thong back of it. It is, of course, has no shorts to it. I actually already have this bodysuit, so I already know I love it. I have it in a black, but this time I kind of wanted a fun color. So I got this in their pink shade. They also have this really beautiful new color, Ruby Rose, that is really nice if you want like more of a color and not a neutral. But they have a ton of different like neutral colors that I love. You could totally wear this underneath your outfits, but I personally have totally worn this as outerwear. When I had the black one, I wore it last year a few times on my vacation, and I just loved it with a pair of jean shorts because it really just cinched everything and smoothed it out, and I felt really confident and comfortable in it. So I kind of wanted to get a fun color for the summertime, and ever since I entered my girl mom era, I definitely love my neutrals, don't get me wrong, but I do love a little bit of color here and there, and pink is definitely one of my colors I've been gravitating towards a lot. This doesn't come with any cups, but the chest here is super like stretchy. It's great for all cup sizes, and I feel like it just really makes your chest look really nice. And then it does have the adjustable strap. The bottom here has like a bra closure here, which is super great quality, by the way. It's gonna stay in place, it's gonna last. Like I said, I already have this bodysuit and it's held up. This material is super comfortable and lightweight and stretchy too, very breathable, and just really, really flattering. So it's really gonna hold your core, it's gonna lift your chest, it's gonna also really define your waistline. The back is kind of like the other bodysuits I showed you, where it's more of a scooped back, which I think is just super flattering and very feminine. I love the high cut leg. I think that looks super flattering on the body, but it's also going to make it more seamless. So I have one more shapewear piece to share with you guys, and I've never had anything like this, but this is a faja. If you guys haven't heard of a faja, it pretty much is a type of shapewear that originated, I believe, in Colombia, and it's really great for even like post-operative care or everyday wear. So this is also really great for any of my moms out there, like postpartum, and this is really, really going to really suck you in and really snatch you. If you want to look teeny tiny, I feel like this is the best option. This is gonna give you really, really great tummy control, and it's also going to give a lift to the booty. It's skin friendly and just also very breathable. I did get the one with the thicker straps here, and you can adjust the straps, which is really nice too. You just clip it onto one of these kind of like hooks here. And then in the front here, as you guys will see, it has kind of like a corset detailing going down. So it has two hooks for each one, so you can make it a little bit tighter, a little bit looser. It has also that boning in the front here, and when you wear this, you will have like you can wear whatever bra you want with this, which is really nice. Sometimes you want to wear like a specific bra for your outfit, or whatever bra you want to wear that you feel like looks the best. And it does even have the boning right going down in the back, so if you really, really want to look your best, this is the item for you. It also does have shorts, and it has this like lace beautiful trimming on the bottom, and then on the inside of that lace trimming, it's like kind of like jelly and sticky around, so meaning that it's not going to ride up at all. It's gonna stay in place. These are great for parties, for weddings, for any special occasion, or even, like I said, postpartum, post-op. This is also really great for those times as well. Actually, right on the bottom here, it has a zipper here, so you don't have to take everything off, which is the worst, to constantly have to take everything off every time you go to the washroom. I'm so excited to add this one into my collection because I've always kind of wanted to try this type of shapewear, and I've never had anything like it, and I feel like this is gonna be great for those special occasions. Those are all of the new shapewear pieces that I picked up from ShapeRX. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Let me know which piece was your favorite. If you guys haven't shopped there, you definitely have to. I will link all the pieces down below, and I will have that discount code, which will get you money off of your order. I just feel like it's always nice to have good quality shapewear in your wardrobe, especially for those special occasions or those events that you just want to feel and look your best. Don't forget to click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!